You do not know the amount of hours I've spent on my spreadsheets doing this by hand. So you are an acquisitions managing editor for a big New York Times publisher. You have great taste, predict what readers will love to read, and can come up with amazing stories when asked. The assignment involves coming up with a writing, marketing, and publishing strategy for a novella series that must include Mafia Kings and age gap romance. Let's add some more instructions to this one. The novella series must release a book every 2 or 3 weeks. Yep. The marketing platforms available are AMS ads, and I'll spell that out, ads on Amazon's store. They are CPC because they're cost per click. Facebook group and a newsletter. The author is using AI to write the stories. The book titles must be themed on something that would help readers stay connected. Okay, so I've given it more information. Now we could put this just into a systems profile, a systems prompt. We don't actually have to use code interpreter. I wanted to see if that would actually work. And let's try this just in Playground, shall we? We'll start with our old buddy 3.5 16K, because I think that we can do this just with this one too, this model. So I'm going to paste all that information in. So that's our system prompt. And I'm going to say, create a writing, marketing, and publishing strategy. So there we go. So these are not terrible. And it decided that it wanted to add more social media platforms. So it's following those directions. Let me take a look at the novella series plan and see what I have. Make a writing and publishing plan. This is what we got for here. And I think it was a little bit better, but I'm going to go work backwards. This will be an ebook, this prompt right here. So I'm going to say, create for me a detailed publishing plan with dates and assignments to launch the series September 1. Submit. Okay. Set up a meeting with the AI author. Because it thinks, well, I guess it says it's the managing editor, right? All right, let's see what it says. Let's validate it. Set up a meeting with the AI author to discuss the story arc and finalize the plot details. Collaborate with the AI to outline the first novella. I hope it's available. Ensuring it meets the age gap romance and Mafia King themes. Begin writing the first novella. Week 2. Continue writing the first novella, aiming to complete the initial draft by the end of the week. Conduct market research to identify relevant keywords for AMS ads and optimize metadata accordingly. Design eye-catching cover art for the first novella that conveys the theme and captures reader attention. Week 3, revise the first novella, incorporating feedback from the beta readers. Wait, when did we build a beta reading team? We're an editing team. Finalize the book title or book blurb. I mean, honestly, it's not bad though. How many of you, you create these kinds of plans for yourself? But how cool is it that the AI can just create you one? Give me 6 themes that the novella series could be about. Power and seduction, redemption and second chances, loyalty and betrayal. I liked the loyalty and betrayal one. Let's do number 3. Please come up with a theme that will apply to and can be on book covers, like playing cards or something, some kind of element that abstractly could be used. Let's see what it can do. Oh, it really went with playing cards. Jack of diamonds, ace of clubs, Joker's gambit, wild card. By using the aces and deception themes with playing card imagery. Great, but let's think of 6 ideas not playing cards to communicate loyalty and deception that would inform the book covers and marketing campaigns, right? I mean, let's use it. Shadows. It's not bad, but I think we're going to get better results out of 4. What do you guys think? Let's change it to 4 and let me try that again. So not playing cards and not shadows. Mirrors and masquerades. Oh, so now it's a half-cracked mirror, masquerade of loyalties, a Venetian mask. I'm not angry at this. I think that this is pretty compelling. I wouldn't have thought of doing mirrors and masquerades for Mafia Kings, would you? Which Mafia King are you? Who can you trust? That play on the theme of loyalty and deception, interactive fun quizzes. I think this is going to be easier than ever to do our business if we have this cool little marketing, like this cool little assistant at the drop of a hat. So, and it's not just this. So I want to demo one other thing for you guys. You are a business strategist. That's all I'm going to tell it. Okay. For right now, for the demo. I need help with my business plan. How many people hate business math? My books, average making, I'm just going to share numbers. It doesn't mean it has to be your numbers, $1,000 to $3,000 in their first 30 months, first 30 days from release. The pay on this is net 60 days. I need to come up with a plan of publication to make $30,000 in 1 calendar year. Please make this plan showing the month of releases and when money comes in and how many books I need to release to safely make this happen. You can create a table. All right, so they're going to do a conservative average of 1,500 per book. Look at this. Isn't that insane? I'm going to try 4. Wow, look at that. It's doing number of books released, cumulative books released, monthly revenue comes in, cumulative revenue. It would be beneficial for you to have some extra buffer, for example, by releasing an extra book or 2. Is anyone else's mind blown? What we could do is we could make this more complicated. Great. Let's add a component of backlist sales. So same situation, but after 30 days, each book makes $100 a month in backlist sales. How does this change the business plan? Does this make sense to everybody? We can change this to whatever you want. We can say $200 a month. Everything is still net 60. And assume we start the year in August and with 0 books. Here's my monthly revised plan. So now we have August, September, so 4,000 plus 800 in backlist sales. It's not perfect, but it's getting closer. By the month of July, you would have earned a cumulative revenue of $62,800, exceeding your $30,000 goal if you maintained your average of 1 to 2 books released per month. Thank you for joining us on something wickedly cool in AI. This is what we do in our lab sessions. So the Future Fiction Academy is 8 labs a week. You can come live, you can watch the replays after, you get the transcript, you also get the lab report. So the 5 of us are the main instructors for Future Fiction Academy, and we work together to specialize in different parts of AI tools to come up with really innovative prompting and how to use these tools in our everyday publishing careers. So if you would like to join the Future Fiction Academy, we would love to have you, because it's a community that is AI positive, and we're all working together to stay on top of this new technology before we all get left behind. So by sticking together, we, for example, I kind of specialize in open AI and prompt engineering. Who here specializes in series writing, novellas and novels? Yep. And then who specializes in Midjourney and all of the artistic stuff? And yep. So basically between the instructors, we all have overlapping skills, and we invite you. It has a 3-day free trial. We invite you to come join us and have fun, because we love to play with this stuff. And we love to share it. So hope to see you in lab soon. Bye. We're all in the same boat. Toot toot. Teachable, 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 teachable. Cool. Yeah. Like, you really, like, if somebody held a gun to your head and said, make me a book,